Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a patent. The journey to securing a patent for your invention can seem complex, but breaking it down into manageable steps makes it much clearer. We'll cover the essential stages, from initial research to the final grant. Understanding the different patent types, like utility, design, and plant patents, is your first crucial step. This guide will help you navigate the entire process effectively. Before officially filing, two critical steps are essential. First, perform a comprehensive patent search to confirm your invention's novelty and non-obviousness. This helps avoid wasted effort and expense. Second, consider filing a provisional patent application. This low-cost option secures your filing date for 12 months, allowing you more time to develop your invention and prepare a non-provisional application. The non-provisional application is the core of your patent request. It requires a detailed written description, explaining how to make and use your invention, along with specific claims defining its scope. Clear, precise drawings are also vital to illustrate every aspect. You'll submit this comprehensive package, along with the necessary filing fees, to the Patent Office for examination. Once filed, your application enters the examination phase. You'll likely receive office actions from an examiner, requiring responses within strict deadlines, typically 3 months. If your patent is allowed, you'll pay an issue fee. After grant, remember to pay periodic maintenance fees at 3 1/2, 7 1/2, and 11 1/2 years to keep your patent in force for its full 20-year term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.